Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Ryviu and connecting it to your Shopify store. This gives the app the permissions it needs to read products and post reviews. Once installed, make sure you have at least one product selected for testing so imports and widgets render immediately. You should decide whether to import reviews via CSV or AliExpress integration. Choosing now saves rework. Also check your store currency and language settings to avoid mismatches when Ryviu syncs review data. Next, you import and shape the review content so it fits your store aesthetic and trust goals. First, import reviews using the method you chose and preview them on a test product page. This avoids layout breaks. Then customize the widget theme, star styles, and placement so reviews match your product templates. Make sure to set moderation rules, auto-approve positive scores, filter profanity, and require photo verification when necessary. Doing this now keeps review quality high and reduces manual workload later. Finally, publish your widgets to live templates and run functional checks on desktop and mobile. You want consistent placement and responsive behavior. Once live, enable automated review request emails and set a sensible cadence so customers get asked at the right time. Monitor open and conversion rates and tweak timing if needed. If reviews fail to appear, check that Ryviu has correct theme snippet placement and app permissions. Then clear caches and inspect for theme or JavaScript conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.